One of the questions I get asked the most, Carlo, what is investing? How do you invest? When do you invest? And why do you invest? Yan ang topic natin in today's vlog. Simply put, investing is buying an asset na pwedeng tumaas yung appreciation or yung value nun. In short, pwede kang kumita. Bibili ka ng isang bagay, tataas yung presyo, kikita ka, tapos yung pera na yun, pwede mong gamitin to either fund your passions, whatever it is that you wanna buy, kung lupa ba yan, bahay ba yan, gusto mo for your retirement, kung gusto mo bumili ng sapatos, that is the basic concept of investing. Now, some people think that investing is super complicated, pero sa totoo, madali lang yan. Subukan ko explain with the shoe. Basically, ganito lang yan guys. Sabihin natin, binili mo tong Off-White OG Presto 3-4 years ago. Magkano presyo nito? Siguro nabili mo siya 30,000 pesos. So, inisip nyo nun, siguro, wow, ang mahal naman nun, 30,000 pesos, Carlo. But guess what? If you wanna buy one of these shoes today, it will sell for 80,000 pesos. So, halos nagdoble na yung value niya. Ngayon, tandaan nyo to, investment lang siya pag binenta nyo. Kasi pag hindi nyo siya binenta, liability pa rin siya, di ba? So, lugi ka pa rin. So, you need to be able to sell it so that you make a profit so that the investment is actually realized. Now, hindi lang sapatos ang investment. Pwedeng toys, pwedeng collectibles, pwedeng paintings, pwedeng lupa, pwedeng real estate, pwede rin the stock market. Now, here's the issue dyan. Ang daming stocks. Ang daming yan at mahirap sundan lahat yan eh. Because if you don't research, if you don't really take a look and monitor all of the stocks that you invest in, pwede kang malugi dyan. Para lang sapatos. Sabihin natin, hindi mo sinusundan yung trends, guys. Hindi mo alam na ang Off-White papatok. Hindi mo alam na sikat si Travis Scott ngayon. Bibili ka bigla, tas nalugi ka biglaan na lang. So it's the same concept when it comes to stocks. And that's why one of my favorite ways to invest is to trust the experts, to trust fund managers. Kasi sila na talaga yung nag-gather, nagre-research, nag-aaral para sa akin. Less stress, mas okay siya, mas madali ang buhay, easy access, mas affordable pa. After all of that, I'm pretty convinced na gusto niyo na mag-invest. The question is, how do you get started? Now, dati kailangan mo pa pumuntang bangko, kailangan mo pa makipag-meet sa agent, kailangan mo pa ng kung ano-anong bagay para magsimula mag-invest. But now, there's actually a website and an app that you guys can go to which makes it so much easier, so much hassle-free, and sobrang panalo siya, guys. Ang website at app na kailangan nyo check out, guys, Seedbox. And today, I'm very happy to share with you that we have a guest on the show. We have Manny Nepomuceno, who is the guy behind Seedbox, so that you can find out how you can get started on your first investment. Boom, Manny. Kala mo talk show talaga ang pig, eh, no? Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Yay! Okay, Bard, so maybe you can talk to us about Seedbox. What is it? What makes it special? And why should people get on it?
So, concept ng Seedbox is very simple. We have a website where you can basically invest in mutual funds or unit investment trust funds. Basically, the big insight behind Seedbox was, madaling gumastos. Mahirap pag-invest.
Totoo yan.
Okay?
Oh, madaling maglabas ng card at mag-swipe pag may nakita kang magandang sapatos.
Exactly. Now, look, I'm a collector. I respect that you love shoes. I have my own collections. Pero yung mahirap sa collections natin, hindi sila near cash.
Totoo yan.
It takes a while to liquidate, to convert it back to
Maghanap
cash.
ka pa ng buyer,
Exactly.
magko-consign ka pa sa tindahan.
Exactly. Which is not true of investment funds. So, what you want in an investment fund is it's managed by experts, by people who understand the markets, who can predict, and who are able to place the investments in such a way that kikita, na tataas yung value. Now, that's why when we put up Seedbox, we partnered with ATR Asset Management, or ATRAM. Now, these guys are an independent, nimble, digitally oriented fund manager. They think like us.
Knocks. Millennials. Feeling millennials. Feeling bagets lang, guys. Okay.
They understand the way the market moves. The people behind ATRAM are experienced fund managers, but they also have their pulse on the market and where the market's going. So when we came to them and we said, well, when we put up Seedbox, we said we want to put a website where we put your products and make things easy.
So parang shopping na lang yan.
Ganun lang.
Parang instead na namimili ka ng Off-White na sapatos, namimili ka ng investments.
Ganun kadali. Okay?
Oh, diba?
So, here's the thing. Most people tell me, pare, I want to invest pero hindi ko kaya. Ang mahal ng investment. Guess how much investments are in Seedbox?
5,000? 6,000?
Lower.
3,000?
1,000.
Boom. O, di ba? So,
Try it out. We have a tool called the Goal Planner. which gives you an idea of how much your investment could be worth over time. And then pick a product that you like. We put everything up front so you can decide which products are a good fit for you.
Manny, you mentioned funds, and sometimes people don't understand kung ano ba yung fund na kailangan nila pasukin. So how do I find out which fund is for me?
Ooh. So there's a lot of different ways you can choose which funds to invest in. Most people will look right away for ano yung return, ano yung mababalik sa akin. But that's without an understanding of ano yung risk appetite nila. So on Seedbox, we have a tool called the Risk Profiler, or technical term nun CSA, Client Suitability Analysis.
Wow, ang
diba?
bongga. Doon na tayo sa risk analyzer.
may quiz siya, and it asks you questions. How comfortable are you with the possibility of losing this much or gaining this much? Questions like that. And it gives you a view of what's your appetite for risk. Now, the thing is, risk and reward, may correlation yan. If you want bigger rewards, you have to be willing to accept.
To risk.
Exactly.
Na mas malaki din.
Exactly. Now, what we ask for are things like how long are you interested in keeping your investment? Because time is a big factor for risk also. Okay, when was the best time to invest? Last 20 years ago. Fresh out of college.
Oh, yun yung panalo. I'll tell you one story, parts. One of the best investments I ever make, and I've made a lot, I've made a lot in my life, was that one investment I made when I was still young, when fresh out of college, yung sweldo ko, yung binabawas na lang sa sweldo mo,
Yep.
na buwan-buwanan.
Yep.
Tapos ngayon, it materialized into something bigger that I was able to use to fund a lot of the businesses and investments that I have today. So, para sa akin talaga guys, if you are still young and you're watching this, and you're probably thinking, wow, it's flying all over my head, naku, wag nyo palagpasin to. You have to understand it because this will have a big impact talaga sa lahat ng mga gusto nilang gawin. Diba kasi, sorry masyado na ako na-excited.
Go.
Chill ka lang. Huwag muna. Hindi, kasi kailangan ito maintindihan. Kasi sometimes, people equate investing to something boring kasi feeling nila, pang-retirement lang yan. Pang 60 plus lang yan. Hindi talaga eh. Kung may mga travel goals kayo na bongga, sabihin natin you're 20 plus now and you want to travel Europe when you're in your 30s, you want to see the world when you're in your mid-30s, late 40s, or you want to buy a house, you have to start early. Diba parang ako nagturo, sorry medyo ako na-excited.
The earlier the better. And you get into the habit of putting a little bit away.
Kaya yung maganda sa 1,000 eh.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be a big amount every day.
Yes. Seedbox, for every kind of investment fund, you can get that back easily in the form of cash. Kaya near cash yung tawag namin sa mga fund na ganito eh. You can convert it back to cash easily. For some products, it takes up to 3 days lang before you get the money back. But it means, of course, that you have the reassurance.
Na it's always there.
Na it's always there. But it's not as easy to spend as if it's sitting in a bank account.
Na isang swipe nga lang, wala na siya.
Exactly.
Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are already convinced to start investing on Seedbox. And again, it's easy as going to the website, filling out the forms, doing the KYC, putting in your initial investment for as low as 1,000 pesos.
1,000 pesos.
O, diba? Now, to make it more exciting, Seedbox was generous enough to raffle away a 5,000 peso initial investment to one of you guys. But since feeling ko dapat mas madami pa, I'm going to raise 5,000 pesos of my own money. Tatapatan natin yan. So we're actually going to give away 2 5,000 initial investments on Seedbox to you guys. So how do you join? Number 1, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, you have to follow us on our social media pages. My social media pages, Seedbox, as well as ATRAM. And then number 3, I just need you to comment down below. Ano ba yung gusto ninyong makamit sa pag-invest? Is it for retirement? Is it for that brand new car? Is that for real estate? Bahay ninyo, para sa magulang ninyo? Why are you investing? Because you know why that's important? Because kung ma-articulate nyo at masabi nyo why, the chances of you doing it is so much higher. Kasi mas nagiging totoo siya.
Absolutely.
Diba? So gawin nyo yun. So again guys, ulitin ko yun. So you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to follow our social media pages, and then lastly, leave a comment down below on why you want to start investing. Manny, thank you for being on the vlog.
Thanks for having me.
And I hope you guys learned a lot from this session and this vlog. And sana magsimula na kayong lahat mag-invest. That's it for now. Peace. God bless. What's up? Ang layo ng camera. Boom.